almost broke my mirror. Gotta change the camera a bit. There we go. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So for today's video, I am going to do a glam look. It's kind of different of like the other looks I did, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go. So as usual, I'm always gonna start with my brows, and I'm just gonna brush through them, and then I'm gonna use my pomade and I'm filling them in. I'm gonna use some concealer. For today's look, I actually want to do my base at the end because I just want to do my eyeshadow look before my base because, you know, fallout and stuff. So now I'm gonna use some tape and I am gonna put it here. So it will look like this, and then we have a super snatched eyeshadow look, and I'm so excited because I haven't done this kind of technique in like years. Cause like when I started doing makeup, I always used this like to do my eyeliner, but we pro now and we don't need tape anymore. So now I'm using my eyeshadow base and I'm just going over my eye, and then I'm gonna blend this out with my finger. So I'm gonna go into a brown shade and I'm just using it on the outer corner. Then I'm going to use a kind of a smaller brush and I'm going in with like a gray brown shade, and I'm just gonna use it here. Then I'm going to use a black shade and I'm just gonna go on my eyelash line, so we're gonna get some more depth. I feel like Bob Ross. I don't know. What is this? Oh my gosh. Then I'm going into a glitter shade, and it's like kind of a orange golden bronze color, and I'm going to apply it right here. So wow, this looks gorgeous. So now I'm gonna take off the tape and we can see how it looks like, and I gotta say, wow. I don't know if y'all told, but I did some curls by myself. They are definitely not the best curls, but I just thought like of when it's like a glam look, we also gotta have beautiful hair. Quickly gonna put on some primer, and I'm gonna focus on my nose, so we're gonna blur her out. For today's foundation look, I actually am going for like a way darker shade because I don't know, I look so pale, and I don't know, I just want something like darker. So now all the fallout that has come down, we can just like go over it like we have no problems. I'm gonna use concealer under my eye, and I'm also gonna put it here where we put the tape on. Then I'm going in with this kind of a brush, and I'm just putting the concealer here. I'm going to put on some contour. This contour is actually not this dark, but I just want some more like definitioned face. I'm just trying to blend this out with my fingers. Actually, this is a foundation, but it's kind of too dark for me, so I'm just using it as a contour. I'm actually going in with a way darker contour shade. Where is it? Here. And I'm gonna blend it out as well. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm going in with the brown shades I've used and just like mix them. And I go here. I'm actually just gonna use a bit of powder and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. I'm gonna apply some mascara. And we're also gonna use some black eyeliner on my waterline. Then I'm gonna apply my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Just gonna brush off the rest of the powder that I use. So for the next step, I'm gonna use some blush, and for today's makeup look, I'm not gonna focus on the apple or like here. I'm just gonna focus up here. I'm gonna use some fixing spray and I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. I'm gonna use a golden highlighter and I'm just gonna do I gotta say anything to this? And on my nose bridge, and here on my cupid's bow. That is intense. I'm gonna use some lip liner and I'm slightly gonna overline my lips. Then I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick and just putting it all over. So you guys, and this is my finished makeup look, my glam look with a lot of highlighter, a lot of glitter, and I love this look. So it's like amazing. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the push notification to always be notified if I post another video. Yeah, and I hope you have an amazing day and see you next time. Bye.